Ways on how to make a lot of money through the stock market. Although virtually anyone can invest in stocks, it makes the most sense to approach investments with a level head and an artillery of helpful research. Don't be impulsive or impatient when playing the stock market, or else, you won't profit as much as you can. Watch this video for more tips. Make sure that you have realistic goals when you start investing. Common sense tells us that you cannot get rich overnight in the stock market unless you invest in many high-risk ventures. This is, of course, a faulty strategy because of its high risk of failure. Keep this in mind while investing. Never get overconfident and take unnecessary risks. Before you jump into the stock market, watch and learn first. Studying the stock market at length is recommended before purchasing your first investment. A sensible rule to follow is to withhold any major investment until you have spent 3 years closely watching market activity. This kind of extensive preparation will give you an excellent feel for the market's natural operation and increase your odds of turning a profit. Stocks are more than a piece of paper that is bought and sold. As a shareholder, you, along with all the other company shareholders, are part of a group that collectively owns a portion of the company. This entitles you to both earnings and claims on assets. In many instances, you even have voting rights in corporate elections. Consider getting some good software that specializes in investment management. It really does not cost that much, and it will help save you a ton of time trying to learn how to properly do things. Look into getting one that can help you with profits and losses and one for tracking prices. Investing in the stock market isn't only for people who have a degree in business or finance, but for people who have good research skills and some determination. Use the tips in this video, as well as some outside research, to choose the most profitable companies for stock market investments. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.